Hey everyone, today I will show you how to pay for a Crunchyroll subscription with Apple Pay. Even though I am using an Android device, you will be able to follow along and see the steps. First of all, open your Crunchyroll app, then log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Then navigate to your account section. Next, go to the premium section or membership section and select the plan you want. Once you have chosen a plan, you will be taken to the payment screen. Here's where iOS comes in. Normally on an iPhone, you would select Apple Pay as payment method. On iOS, you would tap Apple Pay, confirm your details and pay with Face ID or Touch ID. Since I am on Android, I will use another payment option here like MasterCard. But you are on iOS, follow these steps shown earlier. You will be all set. And that's it. Thanks for watching.